Hi, this is Professor Sartor, and today we're working on Practice Test 2 and questions 21 through 30. This practice test covers Chapter 3 and 4. The first question says, use the graph to evaluate the given expressions or state that it is undefined. Part A, what is the value of f plus g of 4? Before we start working this out, let's make sure we understand this notation. We have f plus g of 4. The f plus g part is the name of the function, but not only the name, but how the function is constructed. You have some function named f and some function named g, and you construct f plus g by adding f and g together. So to start working this problem out, we're going to rewrite the original problem based on this definition here. F plus g of 4 is the same thing as f of 4 plus g of 4. Now we can work out these individual expressions. F of 4 means that the x value is 4, and we're looking for the y value in the function called f. So let's go over to this graph, and we've got two curves. One of them is labeled f, this red one is labeled f, and the blue one is labeled g. So if my x value is 4, and I walk my way up to the function, I can see that the y value is 2. So f of 4 is 2. Then I can do the same thing with g. My x value is 4. I walk my way up to the function, and then I can go over to the y scale to get that y value of 3. Then you're going to add those two answers together. Because this function is f plus g, that's why we're adding those two together to get 5. So f plus g of 4 is 5. Part B. What is the value of f minus g? Now, just like the previous example, f minus g is the name, but also how the function is constructed. We're going to take the function called f and subtract the function called g. So we can rewrite this as f of negative 4 minus g of negative 4. We can figure out those values from the graph. F of negative 4, the x is negative 4. I'm going to go up to the graph of f and over, and we've got a y value of 2. Do the same thing for g of negative 4. We have g of negative 4, go up to that y value, and over, we have 1. G of negative 4 is 1. Then we're going to subtract those two values, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So for part B, f minus g of negative 4 is 1. Part C, what is the value of g times g of 4? So g written next to g is multiplication, g multiplied by g. So we're going to rewrite this as g of 4 times g of 4. We're going to use our graph. So we have an x value of 4. We're going to go up to the graph of g and over, and we've got a y value of 3. So g of 4 is 3, g of 4 is 3. We're going to multiply those answers together to get 9. Part D, what is the value of f over g of 4? So let's rewrite that as f of 4 divided by g of 4. We're going to use the graph to figure out what f of 4 is. For my x value of 4, go up to the graph, and I've got a y value of 2. So that goes in the numerator. G of 4, have x value of 4, go up to the graph and over, have a y value of 3. That goes in the denominator. So f over g of 4 is 2/3. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.